Alright, well, what's up everybody who's following Real Random Post 808. Found this, well, when I found it, it was like this. Recently I looked over, I thought it said Moco, like Locomoco, but, and don't mind the fan in the background. But now I realize it says Mold version 2 November 2022. I had this for about a few months now, and I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. Before I open it, what do you guys think is inside? Comment down below. Here it goes. I mean, is there anything inside? There's a lot of screws. Oops. So I got the top plate off. Oh, stuck in there. Next. So I found this by the College of Engineering, or COE, not College of Education, but College of Engineering. It's one of those cool dumpster diving finds that I've gotten so far, besides the Ninja Stars. But this has got to be one of the coolest finds I've got. So that in there didn't feel, I'm not sure if that's plaster, but it's a pretty hard material. So now this bunch of shit ton of screws. Okay. Oh. This is pretty cool, but for whatever reason I don't know what this is. It looks cool, but yeah, I think when I put it on it has to be this way. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, I don't know, I can't tell what this is. This is mold, this is, not sure if this is plaster, but definitely harder than plaster. Anyways, thanks for watching my cool dumpster find Real Random Post 808 video.